Hi guys, so what's on my fridge? So I have a butter, spring rolls, wrappers. I'll be making spring rolls later. It has a potatoes, carrots, singkamas or radish. So here's my vegetable crisp. I have lots of ampalaya because I am a diabetic. For lowering your sugar level. My carrots, I just bought it at the market. Carrots and calamansi. There's another butter magnolia. I have a Concord grape jelly and pesto. I love this pesto, contadina pesto sauce. And raisins, no sugar, Coca-Cola, and so I'm out of stock of brown eggs here in my egg rack. Oh, let's try. It's my favorite tuna spread. And what else? I have milkfish or bangus and chicken. So this is the bangus. It's the Philippine national fish, if I'm not mistaken. Ice cubes here. Here's my peanut butter with crunch. Skippy. So I love it. Super chunk Folgers and Coffee Mate. I also have organic sugar, natural organic sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda, green peas, hot sauce, ketchup here, tomato. What's the brand? Heinz. And what else? Yeah. Here's my kitchen. I love it, my kitchen though. Stevia sugar. So there's the trash bags. Low calorie sugar. Twinning green tea with lemon. Instant oatmeal. And I don't have a fresh milk here, so I gotta do groceries pa.